Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video I'm going to show you how to change or service the turn signal bulb in your Kia Sportage. This should be the same on a 2017 up into a 2019, and this isn't a very hard thing to do. It's pretty easy, but if you're not sure what's under the hood of your Kia, I'll show you where it's located and how to service it. So before I roll into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. If you have another great tip, tips are appreciated as well for other viewers to see. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'd like to have a ton of subs, and you don't want to miss any of the great content that we have coming out. So let's get rolling into this. So the turn signal bulb on your Kia Sportage is located right here. It should be an amber bulb, and it's in the same location on both sides. So if you have to change the bulb because it may have burnt out on you, it's easy to do. There's a little tab right in the back here, and you turn it and the bulb will pull right out, and then it'll look like this. That's all you need to do is push in and twist, and it'll come right out for you. So I'll put it back in. If you have a new bulb, just push it back into place. Should be all set. And put it back into the headlight housing. Twist, make sure it's put in place, and that's all there really is to it. So I hope this helped you out. Remember, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions or comments about your Kia Sportage or another vehicle, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.